See, similarity students, similarity, and Bhargavi, we are doing triangles chapter. In triangles, look, A, B, C students, A, B, C. How many sides are there in triangles? How many sides do we have? Three sides, P, Q, R. So similarity is nothing but, not similarity, sorry, the topic is congruency, congruency of triangle, congruent. Okay, the meaning of congruent is same. What do you mean by same? What are the different types of triangles we have? Triangles are classified according to angles and sides. So if I take one triangle 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7, and angles, if I give 30 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees. Okay, so this is one triangle students, 5, 6, 7, 30 degrees, 70 degree, 80 degree. Another triangle, I'll take 7, 8, 9, and angles I'll give different, 80 degrees, 70, 30 degrees. So which angle you think will be greater in terms of size? Which angle would be greater in terms of size? See, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Which line is greater? 7 centimeter line is greater. In the same way, how do you check which triangle is greater? You have to see the perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the outer value. Add 5 plus 6 plus 7, 7, 8, 9. 18. Okay, for the second one, what is the perimeter for second triangle? Perimeter is 24. So which one you think is greater, students? Which right triangle is bigger, triangle is bigger. Okay, this is one concept. Look here, I'll explain in another way, make it more simple. A triangle is made up of how many lines? Total how many sides? Three sides. So instead of triangle, I'll dismantle the lines, meaning I'll open the triangle. See, AB from B to C and from C to A. Can you tell me the distance? A to B is 5 centimeter, B to C is 7, and from C to A is 6 centimeter. Isn't it a line now? Doesn't it become a line? Tell me the other triangle values. From P to Q, what will be the value, students? P to Q. Yeah, just open the triangle. Open like this. You'll understand this concept. P to Q, Q to R, R to P again. So what is the value? P to Q is 7, Q to R is 9, 8. So what's the total we got here? 24, right? And here 18. Which line is greater? Which line? 24. So obviously, which triangle will be bigger? Which triangle? Angle, triangle, PQR. So does the size of triangle depend on angle? Angle doesn't make any difference, right? Now, whatever angle let it be, we don't care. Whatever angle it is, we don't care. We just see the perimeter. The perimeter is nothing but when you open the triangle, it becomes a straight line. One you'll get 18 centimeter, the other one is 24, which means the second triangle is bigger. Okay, second triangle is bigger. This is how we compare the triangles in terms of two things, angle and side value. Okay, angle and side value. Now, are these two triangles equal? Do you think they're equal? Are they equal, students? 18 and 24. Do you think they're equal? No, not equal. They are not equal. So if they are equal, now let me mark it as 5-year, 6-year, 7-year. It doesn't matter which side I mark. But is the total same? Is the total same for both 18, 18? If I open the triangle 18 and 18, perimeter is same, right? Okay. Now Both are same, students. Both are same. If they are same, let me write. Now tell me which side is same. AB is equal to, no, other side. AB is equal to, look at the second triangle and compare the sides. PR, root of PQ. Don't see the same side. See the values given. PR. Next, 5 centimeters. Next, BC is equal to, tell me properly. It's not QR. Look at the values. PQ, 7 centimeters. Next, AC is equals to, AC is equals to QR. If all three sides are equal, what are the things we measured here, students? What three things we measured? All three sides we measured. All three sides are equal, right? So, which means all three sides are equal, then these two triangle are known as congruent. What do you call them? Congruent, which means their size is same, congruent. Congruent comes under, we have four different types, four ways to figure out congruent. That is using side, side, side. Now, what did we check here? We checked all three sides given, right? Yes. So there are, yeah, this is the meaning of congruency. Congruency is nothing but it doesn't matter which shape, what's the shape of, I mean, which side the values are given in a triangle. You check, you compare each and every side. If the values are same, it means they are congruent. So congruent is nothing but if I open this triangle length, I'll get 18. Even this triangle I'll get 18. The length will be same for both. Perimeter is same. Perimeter is same, right? Therefore, they are known as congruent. So there are four ways to find out whether they are congruent or not, students. Four ways. Which way we used here? Which way we used? Side, side, and side. SSS. Compare the three sides of triangle. There is one more method to compare side angle side. What do you mean by this? We compare one side, one angle should be same and another side should be same. Third type, angle side. What do you mean by angle side? Two angles should be same and one side should be equal. Same in the sense equal, that's it. Fourth type, RHS. What do you mean by RHS? R stands for right angle. So the triangle should be which type of triangle? The triangle should be a right angle triangle. Right angle. Huh? Yeah, Kia, what are you trying to answer? Right angle. Yes, RHS meaning is right angle. H stands for what? Hypotenuse. S stands for side. No, you're answering some other things. Fine. These two triangle, students. Which is right angle here in the first triangle? Angle B. Right? In second triangle, what is it? Which one has right angle in the second triangle? Angle P, C. So which two angles will be same here? Angle B is equals to angle P. And if this is 90-degree, Bhargavi, remember this, any side which is opposite to 90-degree we call hypotenuse. Do you know that? Okay, in first triangle ABC, which is hypotenuse, students? AC is hypotenuse, AC is equals to, in second triangle which is hypotenuse? QR. Both should be equal, which means 5 centimeter. This also should be given as 5 centimeter. Next, S stands for third side. Which are the other two sides left here? What are the other two sides left in first triangle? AB and BC is left, right? Any one side. So what I'll do is AB I'll give it as 6 centimeter, PR I'll give it as 6 centimeter. Now tell me which two sides are equal? AB is equals to PR. So one angle is equal 90-degree, right? One angle is equal. Then what about the other two? This one hypotenuse is equal. AC is equals to QR. 5 centimeters. Hypotenuse equal, angle equal. What about other side, students? Which two sides are equal? AB is equals to PR. If all three conditions satisfy, they will be same. That is, if I turn this triangle, if I tilt PQR and place it on ABC, they both will be of same shape, same size. Okay, yeah, obviously same shape triangle, they will be same size. And how do you check size? As I told you all, if you open this triangle ABC, you make it a flat line, you open this triangle PQR, the size will be same. Is this clear? Did you all understand? The first and the last one, side, 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 and side RHS. Okay, now in RHS, I'll do one thing. Hypotenuse value I'll change. Hypotenuse I'll give it as 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Now tell me, will the value be same? Will it be congruent? What's the hypotenuse, students? Is it equal to or not equal? Hypotenuse value for both the triangle. Not equal. AC is not equal to QR, right? Therefore, will it satisfy this RHS condition? Satisfy? No. Therefore, these two triangles will not be equal. Okay, these two triangles will not be equal. Okay, I'll explain. BC I'll keep it as 5 and QP I'll keep it as 4. See, BC and QP doesn't matter, students. Okay, BC and QP doesn't matter. For RHS, what are the three things required? For RHS, we need right angle, hypotenuse, and any one side should be equal, right? So right angle is equal here. I mean, two angles have right angle in this triangle. So right angle is confirmed. We have a right angle. Any one side is equal. Which side is equal? AB is equals to PR. But what about hypotenuse? Check the hypotenuse. Are they equal? No. So this is not equal to sign. You write not equal to. If any one doesn't satisfy, will they be equal? Will they be congruent or not? They won't be congruent. Yes, I'll prove it. How do I prove? If I open this triangle A, B, B to C, C to A, what is the measurement given, students? A to B is 6 centimeters. Next, B to C, what we have? 5. And C to A, 6. What is the total value? If you make it a straight line, what will be the value? 17. It is 17. Second triangle, if you make it a straight line, what will you get? No, here I didn't change. I should have made it as 5. Sorry, here I should have made 5. Yeah, what is the value, students? Tell me the value. Is the length same? Is the length same for both? No, right? If length is not same, obviously triangle size also will not be same. The second triangle will be greater. This is the concept. If all three conditions satisfy, then they will be equal. Now what I'll do is, instead of 7, I'll make the hypotenuse equal 6. Now can you see, is the hypotenuse equal for both? AC and QR are equal? Yes, hypotenuse is equal, right? They are equal. So yeah, when you add up all this, you get 17 and 17, right? 17 and 17. Therefore, these two triangles are what? What do you call them? Congruent. Okay. Now, how do you write the values? I'll tell you. Look, these three things we measured, students. These three things we measured. Can you tell me what are the other angles left? In first triangle ABC, what's the other angle left? What are the other two angles left? A and C is left. Okay. So angle A will be equal to right hand side. This angle A is between which two values? Angle A is between 6 and 6. So on this side, this angle A will be equal to what? Very good, angle R. If both are congruent, look here, I'll explain. If both are congruent under RHS, that is, if RHS is correct, they will be congruent. If they are congruent, the second rule is, if they are congruent, The remaining angles you have to compare like this. Angle A will be equal to what? Angle R. Now angle C. Tell me angle C will be equal to which is the other angle left in second triangle? See in first, yes, in first triangle angle C. Angle C is in between which two measurement? Angle C is between your, yes, your which angle is in between 5 and 6? Q and P. Angle Q and even P is also in between. But P is what angle? P is a right angle. So you shouldn't take right angle. Therefore, angle C will be equal to which one? Angle Q. Next, tell me the other sides. Two sides we checked. Hypotenuse is same, AB is same. What's the other side left in the first triangle? BC. BC is equal to which one? In the second triangle, BC will be equal to 5 centimeter PQ. Is this clear? Did you understand the concept of congruency? It is basically same, students. We just need to find any three values. You don't have to check all the six. See, all the six things. You don't have to compare. In each triangle, how many sides are given? In each triangle, there are three sides and how many angles? Three angles. So if two triangle is given, it doesn't mean you have to check all three sides and three angles. It doesn't mean you have to check all the values. We just check three values. What are the three values we check? One combination is side, side, side. What do you call that? We call it as criterias. Okay, that is combination side. What's the other one we check? Side, angle, side. Then angle, angle, side. And the other one is, yes, right angle. Right angle should be there. Hypotenuse should be equal. One side should be equal. RHS. Now tell me. Just go through this and tell. If you have any doubts, I'll explain again. Anya, Delicia, Bhargavi. Yeah, tell me if you have any doubts, students. Like as I'm taking attendance, you're telling yes, no. No doubts? Yeah, tell me, Kia. Okay, if you have any doubts, tell me. I have doubt in this topic. I didn't understand. What is that? Yes, no, you're replying. Okay, now tell me these three things. Criteria. Now congruency topic is done. I told congruency meaning is same. If it is same, you open the triangle, their measurement will be same. Length, as I told you. Now we'll discuss these criterias. Criteria or criterion we call. Criteria is basically those three sides. Okay, what's the first one? Side, 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 we finished. Next step. Next is what? Side angle. Mhm. Third one, angle, angle. Fourth is RH. Yes, and there is no specific order, students. You can start checking in any way. In any way. Okay, let me give an example of side angle side. A, B, C, and I'll draw a triangle like this. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Okay, before that, I'll ask you all one question. Are you all thorough with this isosceles concept, scale in isosceles? Bhargavi, what do you mean by scale in? Do you know what is scale in triangle? What is scale in? Yeah, all three sides and all three angles also will be different. What about isosceles? Different. Which two sides are equal here? Side AB and okay. There is one more concept here, students. I told you all already. If two sides are equal in isosceles, their opposite angle. Which two are opposite angle? Angle B will be equal to what? Angle C. Their angles also will be equal. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? If angle B is 50 degree, angle C also. This is isosceles. Now I'll give one question. Okay, first let me complete angle side. First one is done. And the last one, I gave an example for first and last. Concentrate here. Very important concept, congruency. Next, side angle, side angle, side. Sometimes they'll give value, sometimes they'll give markings like this. Yes. Now tell me the students, are they congruent or not? How will you how will you find out whether they're congruent or not? Yeah, give me a reason. Be quick. It's very simple concept. Sorry, no. I marked it wrong. It should be like this. Yeah. Now tell me. Two lines this side, two lines that side. See what does those lines indicate? What does the line indicate? That those sides are equal? Hmm. Okay. Here Dia is told no. What about other students? Delisha, Bhargavi, Angel, Ananya. No. Why no? What's the reason? Why others are not responding? Okay, angles are different. Some others, Anya, Angel. I want some answers, students. Kia, tell me. Kia, Delicia, what's the reason? Hmm? Waiting for others' answers. Majority. Then why is it different? Why it's not congruent? See, what are the things you have to check, students? Okay, fine. I'll explain. Delisha, what about you, Delisha? What you understood? What is Delisha doing? Is Delisha online? Tell me, Delisha, what you understood? Hmm? At least know what figure is this? What figure I have drawn? Then what? You're not answering anything, Delisha. Tell me. Thinking? Will you answer tomorrow? I told criterion. Did you understand this criterion topic? Criterion. Okay, I'll explain, students. I'll tell you from where to start. Where to start, how to solve the question. Okay. In the first triangle, all of you listen. Mute the call. Be attentive. Tough topic. Important as well as tough. It's very tough topic. Now we'll start from A, B or C. You can take any vertex, any one. We'll start from A. From A to B, what measurement is given? They've told that A to B, they've given one single line. This side, this side, on which side they've given a single line? P to R, which means which two sides are equal here? AB and PC. This is what you have to write. AB is equals to PR. If not, they'll just give like this 5 5. Sometimes they'll give 5 centimeters. Sometimes they'll give single line. Did you understand the difference? Okay. First point. Next, you have which side are we traveling? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? No, this is not. Is this clockwise? It's anti-clockwise. Clockwise is like this, right? 12, 1, 2, 3. So you can start in any way, students. You can start clockwise or anti-clockwise, doesn't matter. But I'm going according to the value. Angle is given. After side, what is the angle given? Angle B is equals to This side, this side, what are the other things given? Angular, are they equal? Are they equal? They're not equal. Can you see in between two lines, angle B is given. In between two lines, angle R is given. They're not equal. And what's the other side given, students? What's the other side? Go in anti-clockwise. BC is equals to, side BC is equals to, BC is equals to RQ or QR. Both are same. Fine. Now, the first one is same. What are they, students? Is it side or angle? The first one. AB is side or angle? Side. The last one is also side. The middle one is, are they equal? Two things are equal. What about the third one? Is it equal? Will it be congruent? No, right? It won't be congruent. What if I change the value now? Instead of 40 degrees, I'll give 30 degrees here. Now, are they equal? This is how you'll have to check. Or just sit and look at the diagram, whether 30 is given, 40, not like that. Start from any one side where values are given. AB is given, PR is given. Write it. Now the value is same. They are congruent under which one? Under which criterion? Side angle side. Is this clear? Delisha, did you understand now? Angel, Delisha, Bhargavi. This is how you have to write, student. Just not sit and think, tell me yes, no, same answer, different answer. Well, shouldn't tell. Somebody should explain like this. Okay, now if they are congruent, look at, let me tell. I told you in the beginning. If they are congruent, what's the other side left here? AC is left. So AC will be equal to which one? AC will be automatically equal to which one? Which is the other side left? PQ. Okay. These are the other sides left today. It will definitely be equal, 100% equal. But you don't have to write all this. I'm just giving an example. You don't have to write. It will be equal. Next. Angle A. Who can figure out this? Angle A will be equal to which one? What's the other two angles left? What's the other two angles left in the other side? P and Q. So here, why did you tell angle P? What's the reason? No, no, there is no such concept. So angle A can be equal to angle P or angle Q. For example, if A is 50 degree, angle P can be 50 or Q can be 50, students. There is no specific reason here. Okay, it can be anything. The next, what about angle C? Can you tell me angle C? It can also be equal to angle P or angle Q. Okay, unless and until they don't give, we cannot assume. But definitely any one angle, it will be equal to any one. For example, if angle A is 50 degree, angle P can be 50. If angle C is, what's the total of each value? Each triangle, what's the total, students? What's the sum of interior angle? 180. What is angle A and angle B? Sum of angle A and B, 50 plus 30, 80. Then what will be angle C? 180 minus, that is 100. If angle C is 100, angle Q also should be 100. This is the concept. Fine. So definitely everything will be equal, students. If everything is equal, in the beginning I told their size also will be same, shape and size. Okay, shape and size. For example, in a pizza, you'll have seen how they cut the pizza, right? Are each slice of pizza same size, same quantity, everything is same? Slice of pizza? Yes or no, students? I want you all to answer. Two slice of pizza, everything will be same, right? Length, breadth, angles, everything will be same. That's the meaning of congruency. So even while cutting pizza, they use the concept called congruency. They use a knife, they cut it in same way, congruency. And have you all seen this one, Cadbury's chocolate? You'll have pieces like this. Are all the pieces same? Same or different? They're same. Even that is known as congruency. They use the topic called congruency there. but that is square. How does a cat dress look like, students? Each piece looks like a square, right? Square or rectangle? Square. We use a, yes, we use congruency. Now I'll tell you what to write. First thing, you have to check whether it's congruent. To check congruent, we use the criterias. These are the criterias. Once we get to know it is equal, then you'll have to write it like this: angle ABC. This is the symbol for congruency, and this is the symbol for not congruent. Okay, congruency, not congruent. This is congruent symbol. Congruent meaning same. The figures are same. Not congruent is unequal. Equal, unequal. So this figure, these two figures were congruent. I have to write this symbol. This symbol. Now you have to write in such a way that their values match, students. You shouldn't randomly write something. Okay. Now which two sides are given here? What's the first two alphabets present? A, B. On the other side, AB is equal to which one? AB is equal to which one? PR. So this is what I have to write. You shouldn't write PQR here, or you shouldn't write RQP, all this, or QRP. You shouldn't write all these things. What are you supposed to write? AB, and this side it is PR. What's the other side given here? BC. Can you see the second and third one? B and C are equal to what? R and Q. Understood how to write the angles? If sides are given, right? Okay, which two angles are equal here in this question? Which two angles are given? Angle R, no. Angle B and angle R. Can you see angle B and R in center? Same place? Are they in same place? This is how we have to write congruency. You write random values, you won't get marks. Yeah, make a note of this, student. Just go through what I've written. Side, angle, side. So you have to write. This indicates ABC is congruent to PQR, and down you write. In bracket you have to write under which criterion they're equal, under which criterion out of these four. Side, angle, side. So in bracket you have to write S dot A dot S. Side, angle, side. This is the meaning. Side, angle, side, SAS. Just make a note of this. Okay. Yeah. After this, take break. We'll continue at 8:25. Up to 8:45 we'll conduct. Yes, students, shall we start the next one? All of you online? Okay, last concept. Angle, side is left. Last criteria, angle, side. Two triangles will be given, and you'll have to check two triangles. I'll give the markings here. Okay, just imagine you have like this, two triangles. Start from any side, students. In the first triangle, what are the two things they have given us? What are the measurements they have given? They have given one side And how many angles? Two angles. In the second one, in the second one side, two angles. Okay, so what are the criterions we have? Side, 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 angle, side, and RHS. Okay, now what did you all tell me? Two angles and one side is given. So which one of these might be possible answer, students? Third one has possibilities. Third one has possibilities. Okay, third one has possibilities. Let's check. This is how you have to calculate. See, whatever I'm teaching you is very simple, but when you start solving the questions, it would be difficult. So this is the basics you have to understand. So we have two angles on one side. Start with angle A. Angle A is equal to which one on the other side? Angle R. Both are equal to 50 degree. Next, after angle A, what is given? Not angle. How is it angle B given? After angle we have a side, right? Side. Why did you all miss out this side? Which one do we have? Side AB. 1 minute. AB. No, you shouldn't write QR. I'll tell you the reason. See, even if two angle and one side is given, you shouldn't conclude that it is angle side, students. After angle side is given, right? Here, which angle did we choose? In the second one, which angle did we choose? No, angle R, right? Okay, from angle R, either travel left hand side or right hand side. Where is phi given? Left hand side. So let me take angle QR. Both are equal to 5 centimeters. Yes. Now third angle. Let us see the third angle. Wait a minute. Next, which in angle A, students, which side are we traveling in angle A? I mean, first diagram, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. After 50 degree, we have side 5. After 5, what do we have? After 5, we have angle B. Okay, this side, see, left and right, you can travel in any side. Left hand side, which side are we traveling? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. After angle R, what is given? 5 centimeters. After 5, angle B. Here, after 5, immediately what we should have at? We should have had 60 degrees here. But do we have 60 degree here? No, right? We don't have 60. Will they be congruent? No, they won't be congruent. See, you shouldn't compare angle B and angle P. You shouldn't compare them like that. You should compare in order. Angle A was correct, so we choose angle R. We started with angle A and R. Right? They are not congruent. Did you all understand? Now did you all understand what is congruency? Difference? Now angle B is not congruent. Now what we'll do is, I'll change the value, students. Instead of writing 5 here, I'll write 5 the other side. Q 5. Okay, here I forgot this. This one I forgot. Last question I had given like this. Q, here it was 5, 60 degrees. All of you are concentrating, right? Delicia, what about Delicia, Bhargavi, Angel, Kia? Okay, now which two sides are equal, students? We started with angle A and angle R. See, angle A is given, angle R. Let me take this triangle and try to draw it here. Just imagine angle R on top of this. I'll write angle R. Then after angle R, what is given here? 5 centimeter is given. We compared 5 centimeters, right? And even here, you all told 5. See, both are equal, 5 centimeter. Which alphabet is given here? Which alphabet should I write? Q. Just imagine I'm rotating the triangle. I'm rotating the triangle. Then which alphabet comes on P? On C, which alphabet should come? P. Did you observe this? The way I've rotated? Do you think angle P? Okay, angle P is 60 degree. Do you think angle P and C are 60 degree? Which two are 60 degree here? Which two are 60? B and P. Are they lying on the same position? Well, no. Therefore, position, which two are actually equal according to position? B and Q. According to position, B and Q. Only if B and Q are equal, both the triangles are said to be congruent, right? R will be equal, side phi phi will be equal, and B and Q should be equal. Is this clear? You all understood what is congruency? Yeah, this is the actual concept of congruency, students. Some will get confused. They might think, okay, angle B is 60 degree, angle P is also 60. Wrong. Both are 60, but they're not congruent. Now what I'll do, I'll just change the value. I'll put 5 this side and 5 this side. Now we'll start from the beginning. You choose any one side. Choose any one side or one angle. Which one shall we choose in the first one? A, B, A or B? We'll start from B. Shall we start from B? You all tell me. B. B is equal to which one in the opposite one? 60 degree. Angle P. Okay. After B, where is the other value given? On right hand side is any value given? Then which side you have to travel? Left side. Correct. What's the, is it angle or side given? Angle or side? Side AB. This side, which side you have to travel? This way or the other way? PR, right? See, it is not mandatory that both the sides you have to travel same way. It's not like that. This side, which clockwise or anti-clockwise? We traveled? No, no, no. Clockwise. But this side, which side are we going? This side. Anti. So it doesn't matter. It is fine. You travel clockwise, anti-clockwise. It doesn't matter. All that matters is the value should be on the same side. A, B, C. Now AB. This side AB is equal to which one? Yeah, 5 centimeters. Right. Next. After 5 centimeters, what do you have in the first triangle? Angle A. Here after 5 centimeters, what do we have? Both are 60 degrees. There, why no? Okay, okay. Here I have made a mistake. Sorry, here I have made a mistake. 60 degree. Where did we start, students? P. No, no, correct. See, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. From where we have to start? Angle B is equal to which one? Angle B is equals to, yes, I made a mistake while writing. Concentrate again. This is the value I had given, students. Angle B is equals to angle P, 60. Okay, after that, we started from P. We are traveling in this. Now, which side are we traveling? Clockwise? So, yeah, as I told you, it doesn't matter. 5, 5. Next, after 5, what do we have here? Angle R. This side, angle A is equals to what? Angle R. What's the angle? 50 degree. All three are same. Under which criterion? Side, angle, side, angle, angle, right? Yes, it doesn't matter. You can write it like this. It is understood. It is which criterion? Yes, angle, 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 side. But how did I start? I started to measure like this. We got one angle, then we have one side, right? An angle. Okay, but angle, side, angle. It comes under which criterion? We have two angles on one side. It comes under angle, angle, side. You can write it in any order. It comes under this side. Now just imagine. Last 5 minutes. No, we have time. Another 10 minutes. Imagine I'm going to rotate the diagram, students. If I rotate it on angle A, which one will be equal? On angle A, angle R. Yeah, just imagine I'm going to rotate and I'm placing it top of this. For you all to look, I'm writing it, I'm drawing it like this. Okay, just imagine I'm going to place both on one top of the other. Angle R is 50. Next. After that, AB is given. This side AB is equal to which one? PR. So which alphabet should I write here? P. Can you see B and P are 60 degrees? Is it making sense? Both are equal. Next, C will be equal to which one? Q. Is the value given in the question? Is the value given? No. Even if value is not given, according to congruency, which two will be equal? Angle C will be equal to angle Q. This is known as congruency. And I told you all that I'm going to place triangle PQR on top of ABC. This method is known as, if you place one top of the other, we call it as superpose. What do you call? Superpose. Yes, it's like you're keeping two papers. You take two papers from the same textbook, you place one top of the other. It will be of same length, same shape, same size. Okay, that is known as superposition, superposing. We call it as superpose. Okay, this is the concept. Now next, three things are given, students. Three things. Usually in each triangle, what are the measurements we have? In each triangle, we have three sides, three angles, right? Here, what are the things given, students? What and all we measured so far? We have measured two angles and one side. So what is balance? What is pending? If it has to give three angles, one angle is missing, one angle is pending, and two sides are pending. See, this also will be equal. Let us calculate. Look at the diagram and tell me. Angle Q will be equal to which one? Angle C will be equal to angle Q. Okay. Side BC will be equal to what? Side BC will be equal to. Look at the PQR triangle. PQ. Yes. See, now ignore this. Ignore this. This is done. I have rotated the triangle. I have placed on top of the other. This is how we have to study congruency. BC. Now tell me what's the other side which is missing? RQ. RQ will be equal to AC. This will automatically be equal because we know when you superpose, it is congruent under angle side. Therefore, these three angles will be equal. Fine. So how do you write this, students? How do you write if both the triangles are equal? Now can you all tell me how will you all write it? Take the first triangle ABC. Okay, tell me how will you write? Congruent. No, not PQ1, not PQ, wrong. On angle A, what is given? Which angle is R? You shouldn't randomly write PQR. You shouldn't randomly write PQR. R. On angle B, what is given? B, R, P. If you want compare here and see, is B and P in same position? A and R in same position? What about AB and PR? Can you see AB is the first two letters? Yeah, you can write PR or RP, students. It doesn't matter. It's the same. See here, I should have written AB and RP. RP. In AB and RP, which is the starting point? A is the starting point. In RP, R is the starting point. See here, that is what I have written. So everything will coincide. Everything will coincide. This is known as congruent. And in bracket, what will you write? That the whichever values they have given, if they are congruent, angle S, AAS, angle side. Okay, angle side. Next, this is what they have given. Angle side is what they have given. The other things is 100% equal. So what are they? Aren't they also part of this triangle? Aren't they part of this triangle? What kind of triangle are these two? If both are same, what do you call them? Congruent triangle. So these parts, these other three measurement, what do you call them? Have you heard the word CPCT? Did ma'am often tell this CPCT? No? Okay, the meaning of this is, the other three triangles, you have to write it as, for example, look here, for example, you have to write angle C will be equal to which one, students? Angle C will be equal to angle Q. In bracket, you have to write CPCT, which means congruent part. See, these are also part of triangle, congruent part of corresponding parts, sorry, not congruent, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. What is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. These two triangles are congruent. Corresponding parts. Corresponding is nothing but same side. Look at both the triangles, compare the same side. So corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This is what you have to write. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So whichever is given, for that we don't write CPCT. For that criterion. Whichever is not. All of you understood? Angel, Alicia, Dia, Anya. What about Bhargavi? So the main concept here is tilting the triangle, students. These triangles were small. I was able to tilt it. As I gave an example, pizza. You can place one pizza on top of the other, right? Is it possible to place one pizza on top of other? It will be the same. Okay. What if I talk about pyramid, students? Have you seen pyramid in shape of triangle? So how will you compare two pyramids? Is it possible to lift one pyramid and keep on top of other? No. So which concept we use there? Which congruency? What will this one? What do you call them? Okay, scientist or whoever it is. How will they measure? How will they check pyramids value? What are the things they have to measure? Sides and angles. Is it possible for them? Yes. How much percent is left, Bhargavi? Fine. Over. Anyways, class got over. If you want, you can leave. Log in tomorrow. Don't miss any class. From tomorrow, I'll be solving sums. Yeah, you can leave. Yes. Others, another 2 minutes, students. 2 minutes will end. So these are the two things you have to measure: side and angle. Fine. We have three sides, three angles. Are all three sides and three angles required? Is it necessary to measure all three sides and three angles? No. What are the things required, students? Any three sides is required. Yes. If any three sides, yeah, if you find all three sides, three angle is not required. Next, any two sides is required, one angle. Yes. Next, any two angles and one side should be given. And RHS, right angle triangle. Okay. So this is very easy. In an easier way explained. While solving questions, it might be a bit tough. So that will solve tomorrow.